Here I have Dongfeng Box, and let me show you how to set the driver's position. So at the very beginning, let's start by using the home screen. Here let's open the apps icon, and from the following view, let's find and select the vehicle settings. Here you've got the driver's seat position memory. Let's read the instructions. Current seat position can be memorized as your exclusive driving position. If exclusive driving position has been memorized, you can tap to adjust seat to memorize position or re-memorize it. As you can see, I've got set it up 3 positions. I can pick one of them, and you can hear that the position is changing of my seat. And I can also use this adjust button to re-memorize this position, to delete position, or to edit the name. For example, you can select your wife's name or your friend's name. You can also set new position, so if you customize your seat, you can just tap position 4 and memorize this position. So that's it for this video. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel and leave thumbs up.